Hi guys and girls, once again, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Thank God for the grace. Today I'm going to do a short and sweet video, and it's part of the Going Titanium series. This is Going Titanium 4, where I actually put the little kit together that I got. The stuff I got made by Titanium, which is the spoon, the Finesse City spoon right here. Also the stove, the BRS 3000T stove. And also the Tokes 550 mug with lid. Okay, I've got a little brew kit here, just for a little quick brew, cup of tea, and a little cloth here. Basically, this absorbs loads of water. Very good little cleaning cloth. And I've also got the cover for the mug, and also the waterproof bag for the spoon. And also the stove comes with a bag as well. Right, guys and girls, without further ado, what I'm going to basically be doing in this video is showing you a little brew kit just for a day trip. Okay, so basically we've got your little gas right here, you've got your sugar, your tea bags, and your white milk, and a little stirrer right here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by putting the sugar on the inside. Actually, what I'm going to do, I will put the sugar inside here, put that one on that side, one on each side, and then I've got this cloth right here, which I'm going to place inside like so. Okay, make sure it goes right down. Alright guys, like that. Then I'm going to get the gas canister, put it upside down, like that. Because inside here, kind of got a bowl, and that way it gives you a bit more room to pack down the stuff that's going to go in there. Okay, let me just start off by folding down the BRS 3000T stove. Fantastic little stove here, 25 grams. Okay guys, it comes with a little case, little bag, like that. So what I'm going to basically do is, let's take the powdered milk first of all. And actually let me flatten down the cloth. Okay, goes in there like that. Put the stove on the top, and you can see already it's gone down. Just want to show you, there we go. Then you've got your little stirrer, whack that in there, your little tea bag, and then your lid. There you go guys, and it closes quite nice and tight like that. Okay, put it in the cover that it comes in, and there you have it guys. You've got all you need for a cup of tea, and if you take some food with you as well, you can cook that up as well if you wanted to. But this is just a little brew kit set up in my Tokes 550 mug right there, and also my Finesse City long spork. Okay guys, this obviously can't fit in here, but this will fit in nicely into my bug out bag and a day sack, whatever I'm going to carry. So that basically, guys, is just another short and sweet little video on my Titanium Going Titanium 4. Guys, thanks very much for watching the video, and hope to see you all in the next one. Take care out there. God bless you all. Be very careful. I pray that 2018 will be a good year for us, but I know we're going to come into some really hard times. Be prepared guys. God bless you all, and see you in the next video. Take care.